Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a static grid videos in VN. So here I've already on the apps and I'm going to click on the plus icon and click on new project, and I'm going to just choose a blank black like this. Okay, so a blank background like this, and after that I'm going to click on tab to add sticker and choose 4 videos that you want to make it grid. Okay, I'm going to choose 4 videos. Okay, this one, and then add another one until it reached to 4. Okay, this one's right here, and this one, and last one. Okay, so I've already added 4 videos, and what you need to do next is adjust the video position so it like stairs like this. Just drag it, or you can just go like this. And the last one, and then here just adjust the first position of the video like this. Just drag the video, and then the second one, click on the second one, and the third one, put it at the bottom, and the last one. So it will make a grid like this, grid video. And after that, when you play it, I'm going to mute it first, it will go like this. You can also add some filters into it, or maybe effects or other, or you can also add your own audio or music in here. So yeah, I think that's all. That is how you can make static grid videos in VN. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.